Hi all and welcome to Liquid Earth. I'm Age, and in today's tutorial and preset we're going to transform this image into a beautiful red sunset. So first up, let's head into our light panel and we'll make a few adjustments here. So let's add a little bit of contrast, plus 27, take the highlights down to minus 40. We don't want to touch any of the other parameters. Next, head up into the colour, and here we want to add some vibrance, plus 34, and we're going to add plus 22 on the saturation. Next, in effects, add a little bit of texture, plus 31, and for clarity we're going to go plus 46. And now hit this split toning icon at the very top. This is where we're going to do our colour transformations. So for the highlights, let's drag this little icon all the way over to the right hand side. Gives us a hue of 360, and if we push up we start to saturate the image. Let's go to 67 for the saturation. Same for your shadows, so if we pull the shadows over and up we can saturate the shadows as well. Let's pull that up to plus 16 and then press done. Finally go into your detail tab, add a bit of sharpening, so we're going to go up to 59 and we're going to mask that off with 42, and now we can press and hold the image and you can see the before and the after. Now we need to save that as a preset, so press the little circle with the 3 dots, that's your settings, choose the one that says create preset, give your preset a name and press the tick. And now we've saved that in user presets as a red sunset. Now we can go to another image. We need to press the presets button, which is this one here. Navigate with the top drop down arrow. And we went to user presets. We called that red sunset. And there you go, one touch and you've changed that look completely. Let's try this one. Go into our presets, we're already there. Press the tick to accept. And one more. Again, press and hold just to see the before and the after. And there you have it guys, that's how to create a beautiful red sunset for your images. Hope that was useful. If it was, please give me the thumbs up, it's really appreciated. And if you like this tutorial and want to see more, then just subscribe. I post these every single week. You can save that free preset, there's a DNG file in the information below. Thanks again for watching guys, really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.